Hey everybody, welcome back. Once again, you can't see me, but you can see what I'm working with. I'm working with change today. This is our beginning video on how to count change. And what I've done is I've sorted some coins here. And we have four types of coins. We have pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. And pennies are worth how much? Do you remember that? Pennies are worth 1 cent. Nickels are worth 5. So if you have 5 pennies, that's the same as 1 nickel. That's the same amount, these two right here. All right, then you have a dime. A dime is worth 10 pennies, and a quarter is worth 25. So that's going to be the first thing you want to memorize. So we talked a little bit about memorizing. If you don't have those down yet, maybe that's something somebody could write down for you and you could keep somewhere so that you'll remember that. That's important as we learn to grow up and take care of money. Money is an important resource that we use, and we want to use it wisely. And so it's important to learn about money. So those are the 4 types of coins we have. And so you'll want to learn those, and then you'll want to learn how to count. So the first thing you'll want to learn to do is count. So pennies are easy because they're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Each one is just 1. But when we do nickels, we count by 5s. So we do 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, right? So each one is worth 5. 2 of them would be 10, which is the same as a dime. Remember, a dime is 10 pennies, or it's the same as 2 nickels. And so if we have dimes, we're going to count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and it would be good to go all the way up to $1. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, or $1. Okay? Then the other one we have is quarters. Now quarters are worth the most. There's 4 quarters in $1. And those are 25 each. So 25 cents, 2 of them makes 50 cents, 3 of them is 75, and another one is $1. So you'll want to practice those first to make sure you can count each one by itself. Like count dimes by themselves, nickels by themselves, by counting up like that. That's called skip counting when we count like that. 25, 50, 75, $1. 25, 50, 75, $1. Then if we add it on, that would be $1, 25, $1.50, $1.75, $2. So that's the first step in learning how to count money, is learning how to count each coin, skip counting with each coin to make sure that you have that amount straight. Once you're finished with that, then you can start thinking about what coins equal other coins. Like, what would it take to equal 25 cents? Well, we could do 25 pennies. How many nickels would that be? Let's put our dimes away here for a minute. How many nickels would that be to be a quarter? If we can count by 5s, then we can figure it out. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And so 5 nickels is the same as a quarter. But then if we were to do dimes, 10, 20, if we did another dime, that would be 30. That would be too much. That wouldn't be equal to the quarter, 25. So we can't put the dime in. What can we do? 10, 20, 25. So then 2 dimes and a nickel equals a quarter. So that's the next thing you can practice. And I bet you have some of those pages in your math book that you can start working on as well. So those are the first steps for learning how to count change. All right, we will see you guys. You can practice that, do that in your math book. And the only way to do that, really, even I'm showing you in a video, but you just have to practice that on your own and handle the money in your hand. And then you get used to it. And you can get good at counting that. And then you'll be at the next step where you're ready to make change. All right, guys, have fun counting.